If you're into geopolitics, you need to hear this. Pakistan's in turmoil, but not from Indian firepower. India faces enemies across its borders. China to the north, Pakistan to the west, and half an enemy within, ideological, silent and spreading. Inside Pakistan, the situation is dire. Ethnic unrest, economic instability and political chaos are tearing the country apart. India, meanwhile, stands ready and observant. Pakistan recently halted trade, closed airspace, and expelled Indian diplomats. Tensions escalate, yet India maintains a strategic silence. Why? Because sometimes silence isn't weakness, it's preparation. Pakistan's struggles could lead to a bigger crisis. Refugees, nukes, terror. India's strategy is not inactive, it's calculating, cleaning the inside, watching the outside. You don't chase a crumbling wall, you wait until it falls. Stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding situation. Pakistan, a nation with a rich history and diverse culture, is now facing one of its most challenging times. The streets are filled with protests, people demanding change, and the air is thick with uncertainty. The economic instability has led to skyrocketing prices, making daily life a struggle for the common man. The political landscape is no better, with leaders unable to find common ground, further deepening the crisis. On the other side, India watches closely. The military is on high alert, ready to respond to any provocation. The border security has been tightened, and the air is filled with the sound of military jets patrolling the skies. But India's response is not just about military might. India is also dealing with its own set of challenges. The northern border with China remains a point of contention, with soldiers constantly patrolling the rugged terrain. The ideological battles within the country add another layer of complexity to the situation. The ideological divide within India is a silent enemy, spreading its influence and creating unrest. This internal struggle is as significant as the external threats, and the government is keenly aware of the need to address it. The economic crisis in Pakistan is severe, with inflation rates soaring and the currency losing its value. Ethnic violence has erupted in several regions, adding to the chaos. Political leaders are struggling to maintain control, and the future looks uncertain. The diplomatic rift between India and Pakistan has widened, with both sides taking measures to assert their positions. India's military remains on high alert, prepared for any eventuality. But the strategy is not just about immediate action. India's approach is calculated and strategic. In war rooms and high-level meetings, officials are planning for various scenarios. The focus is on long-term stability and security, both within and outside the country. The potential for a refugee crisis is real, with thousands possibly fleeing the instability. The threat of nuclear weapons falling into the wrong hands is a constant concern, and the rise of terrorism in the region adds another layer of danger. India's strategy is not inactive, it's calculating, cleaning the inside, watching the outside. The focus is on maintaining internal stability while being vigilant about external threats. Intelligence operations are in full swing, gathering crucial information to stay ahead of any potential threats. You don't chase a crumbling wall, you wait until it falls. This approach allows India to conserve its resources and be ready for the right moment to act. Stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding situation. The geopolitical landscape is constantly changing, and we will keep you informed with the latest developments.